Yeah, you steady losing cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch, I'd rather sleep in the booth. Can't believe I...
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Tatiana Raylynn back with another video, and I'm showing you guys how to create a bomb thumbnail using your iPhone. And today we are going to use an app called Phonto. It's a P with a little pencil next to it. We're going to go on the camera icon and hit plain images. We'll go and click the white image and do custom. We'll make 1280 over 720. That is the standard thumbnail size that YouTube provides for us. If you don't use that one, it might not work, so I would just use that size. And then you choose your color. I chose pink and I wanted to make it like an ombre look. So for each vertical section, I choose the colors that I want. And then you hit the little icon at the top and hit use. And then you'll go ahead and you start adding your text and the different things that you want to use for your thumbnail. So for this video, I did how to make a thumbnail using an iPhone. You can change your size, the color, the font, and everything on this. So I just did it and split it up in two. I did how to make first. And then I just put that to the side a little bit because I'm going to go ahead and do a YouTube sign that I just got off the internet. It was already saved to my images. So I just got that from my phone and then put the YouTube symbol right next to it. Sometimes you have to kind of move the words over just to make everything fit. So then I'll type the rest of my title, which is thumbnails using iPhones. When I'm done with that, I'll probably change the color to black to kind of make it stand out. You want to do things that is going to make your thumbnail stand out. So different colors, different symbols, making some big, some small, just anything that is eye-catching for people to see. So I put that right under that, and I am changing the style. You can kind of play around with this area. I played around. I kind of added a shadow to the back of it, and for that, because I like that. So I used that for the white words as well. And then I'm going to add an image, which I screenshotted off my laptop, and I just airdropped it, and it's just my YouTube videos, just for example for this thumbnail. And then I just kind of made that bigger, kind of play around with it, what looks right, what doesn't look right. And then I just add like a few more things on there, and it's just that quick. So just finish watching me do this, and then I'll show you how to save it to your phone. so we are just about finished. And we're gonna click the box with the little arrow that's coming out of it to save it to your images. And if you do have an Apple laptop, you can just airdrop it directly to your Apple laptop and use it as your thumbnail. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Thank you.